Hey, good morning, intermediate algebra students. So I'm a little embarrassed that I'm only giving you one con to do today, but you have a quiz coming up tomorrow, so I don't have video for that one. So we only have the one con. It's not that difficult. So what you are doing, and I think you already know how to do it, so I think this is just review, is you are graphing a slope-intercept form equation. So you should know in this equation right here that the number in front of the x is your slope or your rise over your run, and the number that's by itself is your y-intercept. Y-intercept, again, here's your y-axis, so it's where do you put the dot on this y-axis. So since the first number here is -7, we take our first dot right here, and we will move that down here and put that on -7, right down here. And then from this position, from down here, we will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 5, and we'll put that next dot right over there. So we'll have a dot right there. So we have a dot at -7 right down here, and we go up 4, over 5, put the next dot, and there's our slope. Notice that this is a positive number, and notice that our slope, as we look at it from left to right, is going up in a positive direction. Pretty simple. Let's do one more. Okay, so here's our question right here. We are given a slope of -2, it's the number in front of the x, and we have a y-intercept of +5. So +5 will be right here, and my slope of -2 is not a fraction, so we've got to make that into a fraction. How do you make a regular number into a fraction? You just simply divide it by 1, meaning we're going to go down 2 over 1. So we put the first dot right over here at +5. That's our y-intercept. And then from that point right there, we go down 2 and over 1. So down 1, 2, over 1, and we put our next dot there. Notice that this is a negative slope, so we should, as we look at the graph going from left to right, the slope should be going down, and it is. So this is how you do it. I'm not kidding you when it took me less than 15 seconds to do this con. So I feel a little embarrassed about this. We have a very short video for you. Tomorrow you got a quiz. You should be off to a great start in this unit. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.